All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol MJTK. This one we have actually went through quite a bit. I'd like to point out again, and we've talked about this many times here, guys. For everybody that's going to be watching this video later on, watching it now, we're streaming right now to YouTube over on investorshangout.com/live, and we were just brought aware of people are actually streaming this to their Twitter accounts on Periscope, so we truly appreciate all that. Getting back to MJTK, currently traded at 0074, we covered this one back here, okay, on alert. Job 'em call from the chat, put this one on alert, and look at what happened. Just took off from there, huge gains off that alert. If you were lucky enough to be involved, you would have been 005, all hitting a high of 0194. That was a 400% plus gain, almost just about 400%. So congratulations to that. And looking to the last few times that we've covered this one was going to be on the 30th. What did I say right there? 30th, the 008 hold needs more buying pressure to break the 96 area to get through. You guys did not see that support level at 6.1. The low is at 0.056. I mean, literally just dead on, just about dead on off of those levels. Look at what's going on. Buying pressure has returned. We've been waiting for that, the holy grail of that. Are you bouncing off the 20-day simple moving average? In my opinion, it sure looks to be that way. A very good sound. All these gaps down here, especially over here in this area, have been filled very nicely to say. For you guys that are up in here in higher levels, that gap did fill down here. What does that mean now? Things are turning around and it's looking much better. 0071. If this buying pressure continues, your major area right now, in my opinion, is going to be at that 10-day simple moving average. To get through that, we can go ahead and tap up a line. We can put that line right, pretty much right where that's at, right around that level. That 10-day, you guys see it tapped off here, fell through. Now you're going to have to get through that. If this buying pressure gets through and you guys end up breaking down that door at 0086, this one could be setting up for a big run. I just have this weird gut feeling, and I say that throughout, and I will make a note of that. I just have a weird feeling that this one's going to be starting to shape up for a run here. So I'm going to let Joe take over. Let us know if there was any updates with MJTK.
Yeah, I was just looking over it because they have a lot of different filings. They go as of the last week or so. So I was kind of going through that and looking at it because on January 26th, their latest press release was CannaSys retires 90% of age debt. So I'll just go through that really quick. CannaSys Incorporated, a leading marketing, branding, and technology company focused on the regulated cannabis industry, on January 26th, announced that it has retired most of its aged debt, promissory notes, and personal liabilities in a strong effort to re-energize its balance sheet amidst improved operating conditions. So it stated that on December 22nd, the company's registration statement providing the registration of approximately 57 million shares of the company's common stock to be purchased and sold by Kodak Capital Group became effective. In that filing, the company reported 456,000 in convertible notes payable and notes payable of 179,000 as of September 30th, 2016. So since December 2016, CannaSys has retired approximately 140,000 of notes payable and 90% of all aged older than 6 months convertible notes on its balance sheet, providing significant balance sheet benefit and operating leverage to the business. Additionally, the registration statement provides up to $1 million of liquidity. The company reported a total capital need of $1 million to fund its operations, including approximately $500,000 for the retirement of convertible debt. The company is pleased to announce that it no longer requires $500,000 for the retirement of debt and can finance its operations through more cost-effective financing. So that right there, was that. So the CEO stated this right here. Over the past 6 months, we have focused on reducing the debt exposure of our balance sheet and accessing new, more cost-effective sources of liquidity to finance the business, noted Michael Tu, CannaSys CEO. We now have manageable balance sheet exposure with only 1 or 2 key creditors and significant equity financing available through our registration statement. It has been a long road, but the benefit of the loyal shareholders as we look to the future growth opportunities. So I mean that right there, and then if you go through and you want to look at all these filings, I mean there's Amendment SC 13G filing literally today, and that was basically regards to which company? EMA Financial LLC was reporting on it, and it stated that they had percent of class 0% as of January 31st. So they have 0 shares of common stock, and then shared power 0%. So I mean that right there. But then there's all these like 8Ks over there that you want to go and rip through, get an idea of what the company's doing.
All right.
Because
All right, so hey, Joe gave you guys a quite a bit of information to really base this off of. 210071 watch/alert for 0086 to break. If it does, this will run. Otherwise, support level is going to be down there at the 005 area. Right there. I mean, you guys are this buying pressure. If it continues, you guys could really be setting up. But for all that stuff that Joe just covered, remember over here on investorshangout.com, everything's completely free, unlimited posts, unlimited messages from user to user, and all this information right here, completely free. Time and sales, company profile, recent news, filings, and financials. You can get that stuff right here that Joe just went over. MJTK, again, make sure you like, subscribe, share this video with all the other MJTK investors out there. Get the word out. I mean, this thing is starting to shape up. And if you're interested in the live stream, investorshangout.com/live.